Hello everyone, welcome to a presentation about many undiscovered things in our world, titled The Scientific Revolution of Galileans and Newtons, with the theme the development and application of scientific methods, highlighting how Galileo's observation and Newton's law demonstrated the power of empirical evidence and mathematical reasoning in understanding the universe. Imagine a world where the Earth is undisputed center of the universe, governed by mysterious, unpredictable forces. Then imagine a seismic shake, a revolution in thought that shatters this ancient worldview and laid the foundation for modern science and technology. Today, we explore the transformative impact of the Galilean and Newton's revolution that examines how the scientific giants not only changed our understanding of cosmos but also reshaped society and technology. And this is our objectives. And this is our framework.
Have you ever thought about who discovered the universe works? Meet Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton's groundbreaking discoveries during the scientific revolution transformed our understanding of the world and the universe. From the law of motion and the universal gravitation to inventing calculus and advanced optics. His achievements shaped modern science and mathematics. Stay tuned and uncover the amazing story of the man who revealed the laws that govern the universe.
Modern technology and society have been significantly impacted by Isaac Newton's revolutionary theories and discoveries. Especially in his theory about the motion, it helps to improve our transportation and infrastructures. In his first law of motion, which is the law of inertia, this principle applied in riding a car when your body moves forward when braking suddenly, but a seatbelt stops you by applying a force. Second law of motion, which is the law of acceleration, engineers use this law to design vehicles from cars to airplanes, optimizing the acceleration and braking force based on a mass and applied force. Third law of motion, which is the action and reaction, rocket propulsion relies on this law, as the explosion of gases in one direction propels the rocket in the opposite direction. This principle is the basis for space exploration and satellite launches.
Have you ever wondered how Isaac Newton's discoveries changed the way we see the world? But before him, people relied on superstition to explain nature. But Newton introduced a new way of thinking using observation, math, and logic to reveal the universe's secret. His law of motion and universal gravitation show that the same rule governed everything, from falling apples and orbiting planets. This transformed our view of the world from chaos to order, inspiring the modern age of science, technology, and explorations. Newton's idea did not change the science. They changed how we think and give us tools to uncover the mystery of the universe.
Galileo Galilei is an Italian physicist, mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher who played a major role in the scientific revolution. His achievements include improvements to the telescope and consequent astronomical observations. Galileo has been called the father of modern observational astronomy, the father of modern physics, the father of science, and the father of modern science.
Galileo's biggest contribution was challenging the idea that Earth was the center of the universe. He used his telescope to observe the phases of Venus and moons of Jupiter, proving the Sun was the center. This shifted our understanding of the cosmos, paving the way for modern astronomy and physics. His emphasis on observation and experimentation also laid the foundation for the scientific method, which has shaped technology and scientific progress ever since.
Galileo Galilei's revolution flipped our cosmic perspective. His telescopes revealed the phases of Venus and moons orbiting Jupiter, proving the Earth wasn't just a center of the universe as previously believed. This shift to a sun-centered view alongside his experiments on motion challenged long-held beliefs and ushered in a new era of scientific inquiry based on observation and experimentation. Galileo's bravery in questioning authority, even facing persecution, paved the way for modern science and our current understanding of the universe.
In conclusion, Galileo and Newton were titans of scientific thought whose revolutionary ideas laid the groundwork. Galileo championed observation and experimentation while Newton formulated law of motion and gravity. Their work underpins modern physics, engineering, and technology, profoundly impacting our society. And that's all. Thank you for watching and learning with us. We are Group 4.